Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming versions. Mismatch Samp versus GTA. SA often causes immediate crashes. Once done, backup scripts, Clio, and any mods so you can revert. This protects your clean baseline. Next, run Samp as administrator and turn off overlays and background recorders, those inject hooks that destabilize the client. Make sure antivirus isn't quarantining Samp. Temporarily allow the exe. This sequence removes common injection and permission problems before deeper troubleshooting. Once the basics are cleared, switch to a vanilla GTA. SA copy to isolate mods as the cause. This explains whether the crash is client or content related. Then uninstall and reinstall Samp to restore original binaries and overwrite corrupted DLLs. Make sure compatibility mode matches the OS and verify data execution prevention settings aren't blocking Samp. Adjust if needed. Also inspect firewall and router rules that might drop packets and provoke timeout-induced crashes. These steps address deeper conflicts and runtime restrictions. To finish, enable Samp crash logging and reproduce the error so you capture the exact failure point. Collect client log files and any server-side reports. Make sure GPU drivers and DirectX are current because driver faults often manifest as client crashes. If possible, test the same client folder on another PC to rule out hardware. If problems persist, run Samp in safe mode or with minimal services, then send the logs to the server admin that targeted data speeds resolution. One tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.